Hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to another video of our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kids. Tabby cats are also called tabbies, are extremely popular felines. In fact, when asked to picture a cat, most people would probably picture a tabby. This is because they are very well known and for good reasons. But there's so much more to say about tabbies. As we shall learn, these cats are fascinating in many different ways, including their history, genetic, and skills. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kids, for more cat videos. Now let's reveal 10 fun facts about tabby cats. Tabbies are named after a type of silk. It's believed that tabby cats may be called tabbies after a specific kind of silk found in Baghdad. Tabbies' coats are often compared to a variation of silk found in a district in Baghdad. The silk, a beautiful striped taffeta silk, has an irregular, wavy finish. Tabby, the word tabby has to its association with silk and almost entirely been replaced by an association with cats. Tabby is not a breed. Surprisingly, tabby is not actually a breed of cats. Instead, it is a category of cat. That is the second fact. Tabby is not a breed, and the first fact is tabbies are named after a type of silk. I have 6 tabbies, and I'll introduce you to the first 3 of them. This is Jade. He is 32% Oriental short hair, 28% Manx, and 13% Cornex Rex. That is Jade. Yay! Next one is another gray tabby. I have only 2 gray tabbies, and this is George, our eldest. He is 43% European short hair, and 22% Oriental short hair. That is George. 4 ginger tabbies, and this is the elderly one named Sassy. Sassy is 47% Abyssinian and 21% domestic short hair. That's Sassy. Tabbies are cats with specific coat patterns and unique markings. They are known for their stripes, like this one, their stripes, and spots, as well as their signature M marking on their forehead, like this one. I will let you see their M markings. This is the M marking of Jade. That's the M marking of Jade. And this is Dinar, the M marking of Dinar. This is the M marking of George. And this is the M marking of Sassy. You let them see your M marking first, Fiafiwan. The M marking of Sassy, very distinctive. This is Frank, and that is the M marking of the kitten Frank. This is Blessed, and that is his M marking. He's Blessed, one of our rescued ginger kitty. With that said, tabbies can be many different breeds of cats. Some of the breeds where tabby continue in variations include the Abyssinian, the American Curl, the Egyptian Mau, the Persian, the British short hair, American short hair, and Maine Coon. And now I'm going to I've already discussed the breed of my precious fur babies, the tabbies. especially the elderly ones like Jade. I've already discussed the breed of Jade. George, as I've already discussed the breed of George. And yeah, Sassy, I've already discussed the breed of Sassy. This is Frank over here. Frank is 42% European Shorthair, 9% Devon Rex, and 7% British Shorthair. And they crowded here. They crowd themselves here, looking outside. And that's their favorite chilling place. This one is healthy. Kitten Dinar. And Dinar is 72% European Shorthair and 8% Oriental Shorthair. That is Dinar. Blessed is 34% European Shorthair, 17% Domestic Shorthair, and 15% Calico. That is Blessed. That's all for now, guys. The part 1 of our discussion regarding tabby cats, which I have 6 tabby cats. Hold on to our next video, part 2 of our tabby cats discussion. Thanks for watching. You say thank you, yeah. Thank you for watching our first part, first part video. And see you on the second part. Yes.